Stop before you buy a Lexus. Not every Lexus is built the same, and some model years could cost you thousands in unexpected repairs. In this video, we're revealing 3 Lexus vehicles you should avoid and 4 of the best Lexus vehicles you can own. From proven reliability to costly trouble spots, we'll break down exactly which models are worth your money. So if you're shopping for a Lexus, watch until the end. You don't want to buy the wrong one. Okay, the first Lexus model you should avoid, based on negative consumer experiences, is the Lexus IS250. While the car offers the luxury, style, and reputation typical of the brand, there is a major issue lurking under the hood. Its 2.5-liter V6 engine utilizes a direct injection system, and one of its biggest flaws is severe carbon buildup on the intake valves. Over time, this accumulation can restrict airflow and degrade engine performance. You might experience rough idling, sluggish throttle response, a loss of power, poor acceleration, and even increased fuel consumption. Unfortunately, this problem isn't always cheap or easy to fix, because the carbon deposits can be incredibly stubborn. Cleaning them often requires manual intake valve cleaning, adding significant service costs to a vehicle that initially seemed like an affordable luxury option. To make matters worse, routine maintenance doesn't always fully prevent this issue. So, while the IS250 can still be an attractive used Lexus, prospective buyers should exercise caution regarding models from the 2006 to 2015 production years. If you are looking for a reliable Lexus that won't hit you with expensive engine maintenance bills, there are better choices available. The lesson is simple. Don't just focus on the brand, check the engine's condition too. The second vehicle to avoid, or at least approach with caution, is the Lexus NX200T. It looks like a fantastic used luxury SUV, boasting stylish looks, comfort, and a powerful 2.0-liter turbo engine. However, before you rush to buy one, there are some issues you need to know about. A major concern is the potential for excessive oil consumption. As mileage increases, some owners may experience higher oil usage, meaning you might have to check and top up the oil more frequently than expected. Ignoring this issue could lead to much costlier engine repairs down the line. There is also the issue of transmission lag. Some early NX200T models feel slow to respond or hesitant during acceleration, particularly when moving off from a standstill or when instant power is needed. For a luxury SUV, such inconsistent responsiveness can be incredibly frustrating. Then there is the remote touch infotainment system. Instead of a simple touchscreen, Lexus opted for a trackpad-style controller. Many drivers find the system clunky, distracting, and difficult to operate while driving. So, while the NX200T offers premium styling and turbo performance, the 2015 to 2017 models require extra caution when shopping on the used market. Always check the vehicle's maintenance history, look for signs of oil consumption issues, and take it for a thorough test drive to evaluate the transmission. After all, when buying a used Lexus, a low price isn't a bargain if hidden problems end up costing you thousands of dollars later. Now this one is a little different. The Lexus GX460 has a legendary reputation for durability, off-road capability, and rugged V8 power. But if you're shopping for an early model, there are a couple of important things you need to know. Back in 2010, the GX460 faced a temporary safety warning from Consumer Reports related to its stability control behavior during certain high-speed emergency maneuvers. The concern involved the vehicle's handling when pushed into an extreme situation. The good news? Lexus responded with a software update, addressing the stability control issue. So this isn't necessarily a reason to completely write off every GX460, but it makes the vehicle's history especially important. Before buying one, make sure the appropriate software update was completed and verify that the vehicle has been properly maintained. But there's another issue that's much easier to notice every single day. Fuel consumption. Under the hood is a powerful 4.6-liter V8, and while that engine delivers impressive torque and smooth performance, it can be seriously thirsty. If fuel economy is high on your priority list, the GX460 probably isn't going to make you smile at the gas pump. So, the 2010 to 2012 GX460 isn't necessarily a bad SUV, but early production models deserve extra attention, especially when it comes to the stability control update, maintenance history, and fuel costs. It's tough, luxurious, and capable, but make sure you know what you're buying before you pay the premium. Now let's look at the best Lexus for you to buy. The number 1 pick is perfect for those seeking a blend of luxury, performance, and Toyota's legendary reliability. The GS350 is well worth serious consideration. Under the hood lies a powerful 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers smooth, responsive performance without compromising the durability that is a Lexus hallmark. Unlike many modern luxury sedans that can feel overly complex, the GS350 offers a mechanical package proven reliable for long-term ownership. However, the true highlight of this Lexus is the driving experience. Thanks to its rear-wheel drive configuration, the GS350 feels more like a genuine sports sedan than just a luxury cruiser. The steering is precise, the chassis feels solid and stable, and the suspension strikes an impressive balance between comfort and handling. This means you can cruise comfortably on the highway and then tackle winding roads with a truly exhilarating feel. Inside, you'll enjoy premium materials, a quiet cabin, and the refined comfort typical of Lexus. So, if you're looking for a used luxury sedan that delivers high performance without sacrificing reliability, the 2013 to 2020 Lexus GS350 is a top choice. It is fast enough to provide a thrilling drive, classy enough to offer true luxury, and reliable enough for long-term ownership. That is why the GS350 takes the #1 spot for us. Okay, let's move on to the second best Lexus model. If you are looking for a luxury SUV that blends comfort, practicality, and long-term reliability, the Lexus RX 350 is one of the easiest choices to recommend. In fact, the RX has become one of the most successful luxury crossovers in America, and for good reason. From the 2010 model year onwards, Lexus has continuously refined its formula, creating an SUV that delivers a smooth driving experience free from unnecessary drama. Under the hood, the proven 3.5-liter V6 engine provides strong, responsive power without feeling sluggish, all while maintaining the refinement expected of a premium vehicle. This car doesn't try to be a sports car, and that is precisely its strength. The RX 350 is designed to make daily driving effortless and comfortable. While early RX models did have a few issues, including potential power steering fluid leaks, newer models have benefited from various improvements and refinements. This is where the RX 350 truly shines. It doesn't need to be flashy to impress. You get a quiet cabin, comfortable seats, a smooth ride, ample cargo space, and a mechanical reputation that keeps even high-mileage units attractive on the used car market. So, if you want a reliable Lexus for daily commutes, family trips, highway driving, and long-term ownership, an RX 350 from 2010 or later is a fantastic choice. It is comfortable, practical, powerful, and durable, which is exactly why the Lexus RX 350 takes the #2 spot on our list. Our third top pick is the LS430. This car was created during an era when Lexus seemed determined to engineer everything well beyond the necessary standards. Under the hood lies a legendary 4.3-liter V8 engine, renowned for its smooth power delivery, quiet operation, and exceptional durability. However, the LS430's main appeal isn't just its engine, but its incredibly solid and precise build quality. The doors close with a reassuring vault-like solidity. The cabin is whisper quiet, the ride is exceptionally smooth, and even after years of use, the car continues to deliver the level of comfort and refinement usually found only in the latest luxury sedans. With proper maintenance, the powertrain is capable of covering immense distances, cementing the LS430's status as one of the most respected used luxury cars of all time. And here is the best part. Compared to many European luxury cars of the same era, the LS430 generally avoids the plague of constant repairs and complex mechanical failures. Of course, no 20-year-old vehicle is maintenance-free. Age-related wear and tear still require attention. Yet, when well-maintained, the LS430 proves to be a remarkably reliable luxury vehicle. So, if you desire classic luxury, the silky smooth power of a V8 engine, and Toyota's legendary engineering quality, the 2004 to 2006 Lexus LS430 is an exceptional choice. It may be getting on in years, but its reputation for reliability remains unmatched. If you are looking for a top choice that won't leave you worrying about exorbitant repair costs, the Lexus ES350 is well worth considering. A key reason this Lexus is so highly regarded lies beneath its exterior. The ES350 shares its platform with the highly reliable Toyota Avalon, providing a solid foundation for long-term durability. This luxury vehicle is powered by a proven 3.5-liter V6 engine known for its smooth, responsive performance and exceptional longevity. With proper maintenance, the engine can easily last up to 200,000 miles, approximately 320,000 kilometers, or more, making the ES350 a compelling choice for long-term ownership. So, if you are aiming to buy a used luxury sedan that blends comfort, reliability, and ease of maintenance, a 2013 to 2018 Lexus ES350 is one of the smartest choices you can make. And there you have it, the 3 worst and 4 best Lexus vehicles to own. Now you know which models can deliver years of dependable performance and which ones could cost you big in repairs. Remember, choosing the right Lexus isn't just about luxury. It's about reliability, value, and peace of mind. So, which Lexus would you choose? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car buying tips.